Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about multiplying binomials and other polynomials by a monomial. Okay, so monomial by binomial. So, we have to multiply monomial, multiply natin sa binomial. So, example number 1, 3x times the quantity of x plus 4. So, ang gagawin natin dito, we have to apply distributive property. Okay? So, distribute natin yung monomial to the polynomial. Okay? So, 3x, multiply natin kay x, then si 3x naman, multiply naman natin kay 4. Okay, so 3x times x, so that is 3x times x, then plus, okay, multiply naman natin yung 3x plus 3x times 4. Okay, kopyahan natin yung plus sign, then 3x plus 4. So, ang ginawa natin dito, we have nag-apply tayo ng distributive property. So, ngayon, equals to 3x times x is 3x squared. Then plus 3x times 4 is 12x. Okay? So, kapag meron pa nating pwede pa natin silang i-combine. Pero kung wala na, huwag na nating pilitin. So, then combine similar terms if necessary. So, since wala tayong i-combine yan kasi hindi na sila parehong term. So, this is your final answer. 3x squared plus 12x. Number 2. Negative 3x times the quantity of 4x minus 2y plus 8. So, same pa rin yung gagawin natin. I-distribute natin si 3x times 4x. Okay? Negative 3x times 4x. Ayan. Then, si negative 3x naman, multiply naman natin kay negative 2y. Ayan. So, don't forget yung plus sign. Okay? Negative 3x times negative 2y. Then plus, negative 3x naman, multiply naman natin kay positive 8. Okay? Negative 3x times positive 8. So, simplify natin. Negative 3x, multiply natin kay 4. So, this is negative 12x squared. Okay? Ito naman sa next term, multiply natin negative 3x times negative 2y. So, since the same yung sign nila, so magiging positive 6xy. Then, last term, negative 3x, multiply natin kay 8. So, that is negative 24. So, kapag meron tayong i-combine natin. Pag wala na, so this is your final answer. Next, number 3. Okay? So, i-multiply natin yan si a squared b cubed c kay 2ab kay negative 4bc kay positive 8c at saka kay negative 2. So, isa-isahin natin yan. So, i-distribute natin yan isa-isa. Okay? Yan, first muna. A squared b cubed c times 2ab. Ayan. Multiply natin yan. So, next, multiply naman natin si a squared b cubed c kay negative 4bc. Ayan. So, huwag kalimutan yung plus sign. So, a squared b cubed c times negative 4bc. Then, plus, kay naman tayo, i-multiply naman natin siya kay si a squared b cubed c kay positive 8. So, plus a squared b cubed c times positive 8c. And then, last. So, plus a squared b cubed c, i-multiply naman natin siya kay negative 2. So, huwag kalimutan yung plus sign. Plus a squared b cubed c times negative 2. Then, simplify natin. So, pag i-simplify natin yan, isa-isahin natin ha. So, first term tayo, a squared b cubed c times 2ab. So, that is equal to 2a cubed b to the 4th power c. Ayan. Second term, a squared b cubed c. Multiply natin kay negative 4bc. So that is negative 4ab to the fourth power c squared. Okay. Next, 8 a squared b cubed c. Multiply natin kay 8c. So the result is 8a squared b cubed c squared. Ayan. Then last, si a squared b cubed c, multiply natin kay negative 2. So that is negative 2a squared b cubed c. Ayan. So kung meron pa tayong i-combine or dapat i-combine natin. Pag wala, so wag na nating pilitin. So that means this is our final answer. Okay, so next, dividing tayo. So that would be our next topic. So dito lang muna tayo sa multiplication, sa monomial and binomial, and sa monomial at saka multinomial. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. At paki-follow na rin sa ating Facebook page, Sir Ariel Math Review. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.